This. It's a yellow finch. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, hummingbird. Yo, we're spotting him. Look at this shit. Ultra rare hummingbird in the motherfucking tree right now. Yo, are you so... Bro, I've never seen this bird in my life. Look at that. It's a bird frenzy. We got mad birds and shit in the yard. Yo, we got mad birds in the yard, y'all. This is a motherfucking bird frenzy. Wow, what an absolutely majestic day today. Oh, look at this one. Yo, look at that. That's crazy. That's fucking dope, y'all. Exclusive right here. Look at the birds.